Welcome to 1130 Walwood Drive Northeast in the Northeast Citizens Action neighborhood of Grand Rapids, situated near I-96 and I-196 with easy access to Knapp's Corner and just a short drive to downtown. Stepping inside, you'll find an eat-in kitchen and living space with a large picture window with 5 bedrooms and 2 full baths, including an oversized primary bedroom. Outside, we've got a revamped 2-stall garage stripped down to the studs and rebuilt. It's great for parking, storage, or maybe a small workshop. The backyard is partially fenced and shaded by lush greenery, so it's a private space where you can relax or have a small gathering. With nearly 1,500 square feet of finished living space, new paint, and new carpets, it's a solid choice for anyone looking for a new home. Join me at the open house Saturday 12 to 2 or Sunday 2 to 4, or reach out directly for a private tour.